Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're making a Zippy Egg casserole. It's a breakfast casserole. It's got a lot of really good stuff in it, so I'm excited to take you guys along and show you how to make it. So let's get over here and we'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. We're gonna get to mixing up this the base or coating, whatever you want to call it, of this casserole. So we're going to start with 8 eggs. Get those cracked into our bowl here. Alright, y'all. Got our 8 eggs in there. Now to this, we want to add, this is 1 tablespoon of dried minced onion and 1.5 teaspoons of ground mustard. So, get that kind of mixed up in there. We'll sprinkle that in there. And then to this, we want 1 pint of half and half. And 1.5 cups of whole milk. All right. Dump that in there. And we're going to vigorously whisk it. Get those eggs and everything all mixed up. Get all them spices. Oh, and a little salt and pepper to your taste. So we'll add a little bit of pepper here. And I'm just going to put just a little shake of sea salt in there. Alright. Now, vigorously get those yolks broke up. Keep seeing a hole in there. There we go. Maybe break your eggs open before you start putting the milk and stuff in. Ooh, don't get too vigorous there, y'all. Alright, got that mixed together real good. So next thing we need to do, we're going to set this aside. We need to get our baking pan and see if I have any cooking spray. Yes. Forgot to get that out before I started, but take our cooking spray. Okay. Just coat that. Basically, we just don't want it to stick. Now, I'm going to take a 5-ounce bag of seasoned croutons. Throw that in the bottom. Get them down to a single layer. Alright. Okay, good enough. Alright. Now, this is a cup of Swiss cheese. I used 1.5 cups of extra sharp cheddar. And this is a cup of Monterey Jack. Or I'm sorry, pepper jack. So we're going to just kind of sprinkle a little bit of that in there. We're going to do our cheddar cheese. Whew. A bit of cheddar cheese there. Some of this pepper jack. Alright, now this is where I differ from the original recipe, the original time I made it. Originally, they said just to use sausage. And this is a pound of, I use sage breakfast sausage, but, you know, so take some of that, throw it in there. Now, I really like this casserole meaty, so we are going to, if we can get this bag open, give me a knife, because I'm not strong enough to open it. This is diced ham. So we're going to take some diced ham, throw in there. And then we're just going to take some bacon bits, the real bacon bits, because everything's better with bacon, right? Alright, and then again, take your cheese, kind of top it off there. Your pepper jack and your cheddar. Get that all mixed kind of in there. Alright, top it with your sausage. A little more ham. Come on. Alright, there we go. And a little more shaky bacon there. Alright. Now I got all that in there. Kind of get it kind of moved around, leveled out a little bit there. Don't want any little high spots, so we're going to kind of whisk our milk and egg mixture there. And then we are going to carefully pour that over top of all this goodness. Get our spatula here. Get all the goodness out of there. Get all them onions. Alright, now we're going to take and we're going to put this in the refrigerator. We'll cover it. I cover mine with foil. Cover it, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator at least 8 hours up to overnight. I'm going to do mine overnight. We're going to bake it first thing in the morning. So let me get it covered, put it in the fridge, and we'll bring you guys back in the morning. Alright, y'all, it's way early on a Sunday morning. We got our casserole out of the fridge. Got the oven heated up to 350 degrees. We're going to pop this thing in. We're going to cook it for about 45 minutes. We're going to leave the cover on it. That way, because I don't want the top to burn. So let's get this thing popped in the oven, get it baking, and we'll bring you back in about 45 minutes. Alright, y'all. We got her out here. She's looking mighty fine. So now we got to let her sit and rest for 15 minutes or so. So let's let it rest, and we'll have a taste test in a little bit. Alrighty, y'all. This is set long enough that I can touch the pan. It's still warm, but it's not like boiling hot. So let's get a good chunk of this out of here, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Let's see if we can get this out of here in one nice chunk. Sometimes it comes out nicely, sometimes it don't. So, oh yeah, she's gonna come out and real nice. There we go. Real nice there, Clark. Real nice. So, all right, there we have it. That's our Zippy breakfast casserole. So, or egg casserole. All right, let's do our taste test. All right, y'all. Definitely the moment of truth. This thing looks phenomenal, smells phenomenal. So let's do our taste test now. All right. Get a little chunk of this out here, cut off here. Ooh, it's so cheesy. Oh, you can taste them croutons in there. Gives it a nice little pip. Taste all the meats, sausage, the bacon, the ham. Ooh, that's really good. And it's really firm. So it's awesome. I love it. So, all right. I'm going to throw this down the gullet, and we'll, appreciate y'all watching, liking, subscribing. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get the notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the shop, at the tractor pulls, or wherever we happen to be at the point in time. So appreciate y'all, love y'all. Hope you're going to try this recipe, and as always, bon appetit.